World politics is shifting like beats in a track. The US still leads, but new verses are being written by Russia, by India, by China. This isn't about heroes or villains, it's about moves, counter-moves, and the people caught in between. China hosts summits building institutions outside Western design. Russia, under sanctions, finds a partner in Beijing. India, a cautious guest, buying Russian oil, trading with the West, balancing carefully. Three powers, three rhythms, not an alliance, but a jam session with different goals. Why now? Ukraine's war pushed Moscow east. Energy security locked Asia tighter. India kept its autonomy, not choosing sides. Each move is cause and effect. Politicians act, the world reacts. The US isn't fading. It's still the world's top producer of beats. Tech, alliances, the dollar. But unilateral tools like tariffs or sanctions hit friction. Friends push back. Partners negotiate harder. Influence is still there, but no longer absolute. In the South China Sea, China declares reserves, fishermen lose waters, tensions rise. Southeast Asia isn't background, it's frontline. One spark here could remix global trade. This isn't just leaders on stage, it's exporters facing surprise tariffs, fishermen losing catch, workers seeing prices spike. Political chess? For ordinary people, it's dinner tables and paychecks. China? Keep building parallel structures. Russia? Sell energy and arms eastward. India? Balance, west and east. US? Sanctions, tariffs, alliances, each actor moving, calculating, reacting. Power is more distributed now. No collapse, no utopia, just negotiation, friction, adaptation. Pay attention. Tariffs, energy prices, trade lanes, they hit you directly. Politics feels distant, but it's on your plate, in your paycheck, in your future.